I am Gilgamesh, the Prince of Uruk, and I am stronger than Hercules if you take a closer look. I traveled to this land of gleaming white mountains and majestic trees and named it the Cedar Forest. In this place I battled with a monstrous beast, Humbaba, and put him to rest. Then I felled many cedar trees to build my city in the east. The Phoenicians later came to settle in this place. They cut the trees too to make the biggest ships you can find in the seas. In their language, they called this place Libnah for the whiteness of its mountain peaks capped in snowy glaze. While others said that this country's name may have come from a moon god, Laban, watching the nights in his silvery gaze. Before I leave you to name this country with the clues below, remember not to cut the trees as I and the Phoenicians did in a blow. Trees make the earth breathe, if you must know. Ready? It is Lebanon!